Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Now again, this is a video with African Mall and I am bringing you another Instagram baddie affordable haul. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so we're just gonna jump right in. We're gonna go with this top. This top is cute, right? Basically it's a jacket. This particular jacket I picked up because I thought it was kind of like that 90s feel. I like the vibe. I love the colors. You can play it up so much, whether you're wearing a red lip, a nude lip. You can bust out the Kiora colors, or they got so many different companies now with these colored lipsticks. You can really do it up, but I love how it's cropped. I think that's really cute and flattering. I think it helps you with your curvy shape if that's what you're going for, and it's pretty comfortable. Now it's a little loose, but again, this is a comfortable jacket. It's a casual jacket. And in fact, I would wear this outfit exactly the way I have it on, with some knee-high boots or some sneakers, even some Timbs. It just depends on where you live. But I adore the jacket. The only thing I would say on the downside is that it is not lined. So again, you get what you pay for, but it's all about the looks. It's all about the style, not really about the quality. And of course, the price reflects that. Okay, and then just like the top, you guys see I have on this bodysuit. I love bodysuits because I just want to get up and go sometimes. I don't want to have to put a lot of thought into it. I can keep this jacket on with it. I can put on a t-shirt. I can throw in a jean jacket, an oversized sweater. The possibilities are endless. Or of course, wear it as is, okay? So I love this because it's super comfortable. I love any kind of bodysuits that go down all the way to my ankles and that are tight, because I have smaller ankles and sometimes it just fits baggy and it looks crazy. So I appreciate that these are a true fit in regards to being a skinny pant. And then as far as the comfort, this is like definitely a polyester slash spandex blend. As far as being see-through, I can't really tell right now if it's see-through, but it is quite shiny, but it feels really good. In fact, it's kind of holding me in. I think I got a size large. I don't know. Again, I'll put the details down below in the box, but when I put it on, I had to kind of to wiggle in it a little bit to get it over my hips. I will put my personal measurements in the box below. That way you dolls can kind of get an idea of what I mean. But once I got it past my hips and got it up, everything basically went right into place, and I really love how it's pulling my body together and basically is shaping me at the same time. So I recommend this bodysuit. I got it in a navy blue in my previous haul. I'll put those links down below to my previous hauls. That way you dolls can check that out too. But I love bodysuits and I would all the way recommend this.
Now this particular jacket is very cute. As you can see, it's really shiny. It kind of gives me foil paper vibes. But anyways, it is a crop puffy jacket. This jacket is lined. Really nice surprise. It's super cute. I think it's really trendy and I think it is very warm. I like how it has this kind of detail by the neck, which is like a turtleneck. So it does zip all the way up. And yes, it does come with a skirt with a chain. Now imagine me getting into this little skirt. That was not about to happen. So I'm just gonna chill with this jacket on. In fact, my daughter already wore it to school and she loved it, but the jacket fits, the bottom definitely doesn't.
Okay dolls, so with this particular top, you already know I'm a fan, and that's because I have a few other shirts very similar to it because of the previous hauls from African Mall. I say if you are looking for shirts that are affordable, go ahead and check them out. They have a whole lot of cute, casual, comfortable shirts. Now this looks like a sweat top. I love the color, and it has like the sweat top kind of sleeves. I think the play with the colors, as far as it being like this tan and this gray, is really cute. Just really plain, but it's just really girly. So I adore this top. I know I'm gonna have to probably hide it. I probably tell my daughter, she probably loves it too. But it has the white. It's just a really clean and minimalistic type top. And I adore it. I can see me rocking it with some jeans, wearing it with this onesie like I have on now. I can see me wearing it with some sweatpants, like joggers. I mean, y'all can really do whatever you want, but it's super cute and I would recommend it. Okay, dolls, now this particular top, I was not sure about at first because of the material. It feels really weird. It's kind of itchy, it's kind of tough. Definitely doesn't look as comfortable as, or it actually doesn't feel as comfortable as it looks. Now, as far as how it looks, again, a really good place to just buy some cute pieces at for aesthetics. I would actually still rock this. I would wear it with some jeans just tucked in. It is a bodysuit, but I do adore it because of the shoulder detail. Like, y'all know I love me a good off the shoulder top, honey. So that's a saving grace as far as why I adore this shirt. But these are faux buttons. It looks like it's supposed to be that stretchy Henley material. That's what I was going for, like that kind of white beater, stretchy, feel-good material. And it's more like a rough, like I can't even describe it. You can kind of see it on camera. It has those lines, but it's not that type of material. It's much sturdier. Like, I don't know, but anyways, it's not that cotton stretchy feeling that I thought it was gonna be, but it's still cute, super cheap, and I would rock it.
And here we have my baby girl modeling this shirt. This shirt is really cute, y'all. It's kind of like a corduroy velvet type of feel. You can kind of see as far as the material, the way it picks up on camera. It's such a pretty grayish, bluish color. I think it looks really cute on her. Definitely did not stretch, so it did not work for me. I would recommend this with some jeans. You can wear it with a skirt. I think it's really cute with the sleeve detail. So I wanted you dolls to see it, although I couldn't fit it.
Okay, dolls, so I absolutely adore this shirt. That's what I'm gonna say. I love this shirt. I love it because it's stretchy. I love it because it can be very sexy. I love it because it can be casual, but I feel really good in it. It fits so comfortable. In fact, I'm gonna have to just delete this link so I can go buy the rest of them before they sell out. I'm just kidding, but I really, really love this shirt. So that's all I got. So this particular outfit is super, super cute. I really adore it. I hate that it doesn't fit. I am so used to ordering from companies across seas and usually have to size up significantly or at least one size so that I can get an item that fits. Now this particular item, maybe because it's mainly mesh, it's really stretchy. So it doesn't fit here, and it definitely fits the same way around my ankles and my legs. So this particular outfit is super see-through. I actually have that black bodysuit on underneath this, and of course my bra. So this particular item barely touched my skin, basically brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway. So all you have to do is follow this channel, follow my vlog channel, follow my fitness channel, and also get an extra entry by adding me on Instagram. That's it. Go ahead and comment down below when you're done doing that, as well as where you would wear this, and I will choose a lucky winner in 7 days. So that's it. I am going to announce it either on live for YouTube, or I'm probably gonna do it live on Instagram, or in my stories on Instagram. So don't wanna miss that. But anyways, this is perfect for a birthday dinner. It's perfect for a club for New Year's. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's perfect just because it's freaking Wednesday and you slay on Wednesdays. Like, I don't really know, but it's super cute, super see-through. Again, I'm wearing black underneath, so definitely gotta get something that's like tan or skin color or black. I mean, or you can just go all the way, honey, but don't go out there in the streets like that and telling people I did that to you, okay? But anyways, I am so sad I gotta let this go, but hey, it's gonna look really cute on someone, and if you really wanna make it work, you can always cut it hem it and then wear it as a shirt or tucked in. Obviously, I love this set. I am in love with two pieces. I just adore them because you can really help your wardrobe as far as having multiple options when you have coordinates like this, okay? So you can wear this top with some light colored jeans that are distressed with some Ugg boots. I mean, you can rock them together, obviously. Wear the pants just around the house because they're super comfortable. But I just adore this set because of the color. It's like a hunter green color, and then it has like that whole cable knit kind of feel to it. Really comfortable everywhere. I mean, if you saw in the mirror, dolls, it's really wide leg on my legs, and to me that's like flowy and comfortable. Now it's supposed to be like a knit cable sweater, but it's not that thick, obviously. In fact, I am seeing a little bit of some see-through action, so you gotta be mindful of that, especially with your booty. You don't want to be walking around with your thong on showing everybody your business. So I'll probably wear some black like booty shorts with this, not black boy shorts, but black like biker shorts, like really short ones. And then I would wear maybe like a tube top underneath this over my bra, because I am in love with this set, but because it's a little see-through and I'm in the house with the lighting, imagine when I'm outside in the sun. So that's just a little word of advice. A lot of these clothes, again, the price points will reflect the material and the quality. We are shopping on the level of like rainbows and dots here, not like BCBG. Well, they're out of business. But you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like Zara or something like that, okay? So bottom level, but super cute style. I like it. Instagram baddie, I like it. So yeah, I adore it. Really comfortable. I'm 5'6"3/4", and it definitely fits me going all the way down. In fact, it drags on the floor, so really cute with heels perhaps. But yeah, again, long story short, I would recommend it. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I partner with African Mall. I have worked with them a few times before, and I pretty much would recommend it. Now, the reason for that is because you can find a lot of trendy items on that website, whether you want to just be an Instagram baddie and take pictures, whether you have a photo shoot or a project or something coming up, or if you just want to look really cute, but you want to shop on a budget. So I think that African Mall is a good option because it's very affordable. Now, just like I mentioned before, you have to pay attention to the prices. Anything that's more expensive, like $30 or more, is going to be decent material, like the coats, the jackets. When you're kind of talking about like the $6 range to the $20 range, you're basically going to get what you paid for. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have shopped African Mall before, please leave a comment down below. Let the Diva Dolls know what to expect and what your experience was. I love bringing these videos to you, dolls. In fact, be sure to check my previous haul videos. I will link that somewhere in this video for you, dolls, as well as check the links down below, which has the links to everything that I picked up, as well as my sizes to help you shop. I want to thank you, dolls, so much. If you don't subscribe to this channel, please do. I am on my way to 100K. I'm like 89,000 and some change strong, so I want to thank you, dolls, so much for your support. If you don't follow my Instagram and my Snapchat, be sure that you do that, and my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. And also, if you don't follow me on my other two channels, be sure you do that as well. So I have a fitness and vlog channel, and I'm gonna put those links down below in the box. I really appreciate your support. I love doing these videos for you, dolls. In fact, give me a thumbs up if you love my try-on videos. Leave a story down below that you wanna see me do a video for, and I'll see if I can make that happen. So again, I wanna thank you all for tuning in, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.